Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit as fiddle. Welcome you all in my English classes. Students, I was thinking that making video is a piece of cake for me, but not like that. It is hard not to crack it. It's a very difficult task for me. It takes too much time to make a video. And it is very easy to teach in the class. So students, in this video, I am going to explain you the vocabulary part of chapter 3. So what is the name of chapter 3? The name of chapter 3 is The Wolf and the House Dog. Question number 1A and question number 1-2 I have already done. I have explained the nation. I have sent the video to you. This is the third video. So in this video, I am going to teach you the question number B1 and the question number B2. Actually, students, in this lesson, 5, 6 or 7 idioms have been used. So that this question consists of idioms. So let us start this question. One more thing, students. This question you do only in the book, not in the notebook. No need to do in the notebook. So I have explained everything. I have explained what is the meaning of idioms. So let us start, and you just watch the video and do these two questions. One more question I have given, that is B3. So let's go and start. Hello students, I am going to solve. I have already solved this page. So I am going to read this one. You just go through it. There are many phrases used in the story which mean something other than the meaning of the words they are made of. For example, skin and bones, to fall in with, leave his marks, just a trifle. These words placed together mean differently from what they mean individually. Such phrases are called idioms. And idioms is a group of words whose meaning in everyday speech and writing is different from what you expect. The word in the idioms are not literally true. So what is the meaning of idioms here given? Because many 5, 4, 6 idioms have been used in your chapter. So I am going to explain this. I have already done it. Students, idiom means a group of words in a fixed order that have a particular meaning. It means also a manner of speaking that is natural to native speaker of a language. Idioms are group of words that have a hidden meaning which is not clear when reading the words literally. So, my dear friends, I am going to, I have already solved it. It will also, here are some common English idioms that will enrich your English vocabulary. First of all, what is the meaning of skin and bones? It does not mean this is the part of body. It means extremely thin. मतलब जो बहुत पतला हो, मतलब उसके बोन से उसका स्किन एकदम लग गया. That is called the skin and bones. To fall in with, it does not mean someone is falling somewhere. It means meeting with someone. Leave his marks. Leave his marks means making a spot on the body, on the place, and anywhere. So just a trifle, these words are placed together mean differently from what they mean individually. So here I am going to start, and just see, to blow your own trumpet is not related to the skill of playing musical instrument. It actually means to praise oneself or boast about oneself. So students, to blow your own trumpet does not mean that we are blowing trumpet.
It means to say or speak highly about own works or to show off and स्वयं की बड़ाई करना.
बहुत ज़्यादा boost up करना. It means. So similarly, I am telling you, break a leg. It does not mean you break your leg. It means good luck. Generally, it is used when someone is going on platform to perform something. For that time, it is used. So I'm going to start. Here are some common idioms used in English. Can you guess their meaning? Fill in the blanks with the correct meaning from those given in the box. So already I have done it. I'm going to read. Burning the candle at the both ends. It does not mean you take a candle and burn both sides. It means working very hard day and night. Understood? At a snail pace. What is the meaning of at a snail pace? Have you seen the snail? Snail is a sea animal. It walks very slow. So that it means very slowly. Number 3 is raining cats and dogs. So what is the meaning of raining cats and dogs? It does not mean when it is raining outside, so cats and dogs falling through the rains. No, it means raining very hard. हिंदी में इसको बोलते हैं ना, मूसलाधार बारिश हो रही है. 4 number, smell a rat. So what is the meaning of smell a rat? Suspect something is wrong. किसी भी चीज के बारे में अगर संदेह होता है, that time we can use smell a rat. And more we can use here, that is smell fishy. Smell fishy is the same meaning. If you have doubt something, that time you can use it. So number 5th, pay through the nose means pay a lots of money for something. Okay. So number 6 is turn over a leaf. Make a fresh start means change your attitude. Suppose you have done something wrong, you have realized that you have done something wrong, now you want to change your attitude. That time you can use it. So turn over a new leaf means make a fresh start. Now I am moving to the question number B. Here I have done. So in bracket it has been given all. Question number B is fill in the blanks using idioms given above. Sanjay promised he would never lie again and would now. So what will come? He is promising someone that he would never lie again. So make a fresh start. And both you have to write turn over a new leaf. Number 2, though the milkman promised that he had not mixed any water in the milk, my mother suspects something is wrong. So what will come here? Smell a rat. Number 3, we could not go out to play because the field was wet and it was raining very hard. So what will come for raining very hard? Raining cats and dog. Number 4th is my friend has been preparing for the final exam and working very hard day and night. So suppose someone is working very hard day and night. So what idioms can we use? Burning the candle at the both ends. Number 5th, the child did not want to go to school. In fact, he was walking very slowly. So what idioms is used for slowly? At a snail pace. So I am turning this page. Here comes 6th number. So that is last one is this is my father had to pay a lots of money for the new house as it turned out to be more expensive than he had expected. So what idioms is used? Pay through the nose.